Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow.
Okay.
Gosh! Watch it!
Okay, thank you. Just show my voice so I get it.
Holy,
Okay,
it really erupted! My God!
Moving the man, wind blowing the ash today. Zef.
All right, so good evening, everybody. We're live. We're coming to you from just outside capital city Kingstown, and you're looking at the ash. That's right, the ash plume from the second explosion we had. Some.
As you can see, stone falling on people's house. Stone, fine stone, and they're very hot. They're very hot. Stone falling on people's house. Wow. Just wow. No, that's not number 4. I mean, since I've been here, I haven't like opened up the live to some of the explosions. But what we counted here from what we experienced so far.
The volcano starts to erupt violently now. Yes. It's rolling now, it's rumbling. I could see ash way up in the air. Let me see if I could get that. The sun is covering me.
Wow.
Yeah, this stuff just blew the guys right at Chester over my head here. Watch, look at this. Wow. Seeing this thing live. Chester Cottage right here. This thing mount over the top of the mountain.